Namaste, it's me, Lokendra Saud. First of all, I want to welcome you all. Welcome, children. And today, I am going to teach you how to prove this is how to prove a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, because I have also told you, okay, this a square plus b square has two formulas, okay, and those formulas should be used on the basis of the given values, okay, and those both the formulas, how they are derived, how they are proved, okay, that I am going to show in this video. I hope you will enjoy with the solution, okay, and with the tricks, okay, which are used here, and you will feel very easy, okay. In difficulties, please, we have to watch the video again and again and try to understand, okay, according to the explanation. Look here. In first question, you can see here, number one, a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, what? How this a square plus b square equals a plus b whole square minus 2ab comes, okay? That I am going to show here, okay? See, okay. Now let's take here left hand side, okay. Before taking this, please mention the solution. Left hand side equals what is there? A square plus b square, right? A square plus b square, okay. And look, here is also written a square, there is also b square, okay. The same, but what is here? Look, here is plus 2ab and here is minus 2ab. What does it mean? Look, when we subtract this 2ab from this 2ab, the value remains again this a square plus b square. That's why what is still here? The required value we can add and subtract in the same expression, okay? The mathematics rule, it's the rule, okay? It's the one of the technique in mathematics, okay? As we require this a plus b whole square, that's we added here plus 2ab, and that whatever we added here, that should be subtracted back, okay? Because this 2ab and minus 2ab, that means 0, and remaining values a square and b square are same as this question, okay? That's why please remember this, okay? If you have to bring a plus b whole square, then plus 2ab inside here, and outside it will be another one minus 2ab, okay? Now what we did here, we did addition of 2ab and subtraction of 2ab, okay? Then we know that this a square plus 2ab plus b square means a plus b whole square formula. These three terms are in the form of formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay? This is a plus b whole square, right? This minus here, this 2ab right here also 2ab, okay? This is the result, okay, that we need to bring here. Look, this is the right hand side one. We solved left hand side and we got the value of right hand side, hence proved. We have to write like this. Like this we prove a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, children. Now see there, next slide. Okay, here I just told you how to prove, okay, a square plus b square equals to a minus b whole square plus 2ab, okay? How it comes, okay? Look, this is the question, a square plus b square equals to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Okay, as I told you in previous question, I had told here in this one a square plus b square over there, eh? That's why in left hand side, look, in left hand side what we did here, in this a square plus b square we subtracted 2ab first, then we added 2ab back, okay, because we need here a minus b whole square, no? That's why we subtracted minus 2ab first, then plus 2ab added, because plus 2ab and minus 2ab means 0. minus 2ab plus 2ab will be cancelled and it will be 0, and the remaining will be a square plus b square, which is just at this left hand side one. Okay, a square plus b square. And as I told you, a square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square formula. These three terms are in the form of formula. Okay, that's why we wrote here a minus b whole square, and this plus right here plus here is also 2ab, this 2ab. Okay, which is the right hand side. Okay, this is the result of right hand side. Look, a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Like this, we subtracted first minus, this is minus 2ab means subtracted 2ab, and plus 2ab means added 2ab. Okay, this 2ab and this 2ab cancel, and the result is same like this left hand side. Okay, like this we bring a square plus b square equals to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Okay, this is the process. Okay, these are the steps that we have to follow to prove a square plus b square equals to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Okay, today this much only. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, and please don't forget to practice, because practice makes the student perfect, and my students will do always practice. Thank you very much.